Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Budi Mulia 2 channel. I'm Nur Nur, your science teacher. And our lesson today is about adaptation. As we know, fish can live in water, but they cannot live on land like human. What do you think? Why a fish cannot live on land? A fish just can live in water because they have gills. Each organism have special adaptation that help them to live in their habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is the place where an organism lives. What is adaptation? Adaptation are special features that help living organisms to live in their habitat. For example, fish have adaptation that help them to live in water because they have tail. The tail helps the fish to move forward through the water. And they have fins. Fins help the fish to stay balanced. And then they have gills. Gills absorb dissolved oxygen from the water. And then they have lateral line sense. The lateral line senses movement in the water around the fish, and their body have streamlined. It functions to reduce friction as the fish moves forward. Next example is cactus. Cactus has adaptation that help them to live in the desert where there is not much water because it has thick stem. The thick stem stores water, and they have spines. Spines stop dirty animal eating the cactus to get water. And cactus has long roots. The long roots can find water deep under the soil. There are 3 types of adaptation. First, morphological adaptation. Second, physiological adaptation. And behavioral adaptation. What is morphological adaptation? Morphological adaptation is physical features that helps an organism survive. For example, the fennec fox lives in the desert. Its structural adaptation is to have large ears. This allows heat to be radiated from the body, helping to cool it down. By contrast, the Arctic fox lives in a cold habitat. It has smaller ears, just smaller ear, and thick fur. In order to retain its body heat. Another example, there are various shapes of birds' beak depending on the type of food. And also, there are differences in the shape of the bird's feet depending on the habitat and way of life. Okay, what is behavioral adaptation? Behavioral adaptation is action done on purpose to help with survival. For example, chameleons can change their skin color according to their environment. And then, dolphins and whales come to the surface of the sea to get oxygen. And what is physiological adaptation? Physiological adaptation is involuntary action or change. For example, adrenaline is pumped into the bloodstream when you get scared or surprised. Second example, your pupils automatically get bigger in dark places to let in more light. Well done the material and see you in the next video.